Okay, so one important question you gotta ask yourself today is first. Okay, one important question you gotta ask yourself before the end of this video is: are you a Higglytown hero? TJ, are you a Higglytown hero?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you said he's a Higglytown. Little T, are you a Higglytown hero? Are you a Higglytown hero?
No,
You not?
no, I'm not the play.
The Optimus Prime.
Yeah.
He's beating up Megatron and all the Decepticons.
Yeah. I could shoot them.
You could shoot him.
Yeah.
You're gonna beat up all the. No, you can't have it. No.
I did.
No, you can't have it. No. And a new person. You're still coughing.
Of course.
Oh, but it's cool.
That's how you know food.
Huh?
Not
Oh. It's cool. I'll shut the video off before terrible things happen to my wiener. Bye.
Yeah, I'm about to get a good hold on it.
About to get a good hold on my wiener.
Yep. I mean,
Let me interview you real quick. So, how big is your wiener?
dude, it's like this big. So I got from fought with the low splitter. Now it's like that big. Dude, crocky, man.
Crikey.
Crocky.
Crikey. Okay, don't attack me.
You okay?
I'm gonna go.